Hi guys, it's DJ here with Power to the Side, and I'm heading to the ultimate spring break at the beach. Let's dig in. So I have everything you need for a really amazing spring break. Let's find out what's in here. Number one, you always are gonna need some sunscreen. I know I have all the melanin, but your girl doesn't want to burn, okay? Number two, don't forget your pill pack or your ring or whatever you have. Don't forget your birth control method of choice. I'm gonna bring some condoms because STIs are real and your girl doesn't want them. Just in case, I have my plan B. Head to bedsider.org to find out how to buy it, just in case you've never bought it before, but it's super easy. You wanna pack light, you wanna pack comfy. I have booty shorts because the booty is important and it needs to see the sunshine, right? But most importantly, just have fun. Sorry, somebody's calling me. Hey, Mizzy. Hey girl, what are you doing? Yeah, I'm packing right now. I'm headed to the airport right after this. Yeah, all right. Hey, don't forget your birth control. Yeah, I know you forgot and you know how things go. All right, girl. All right, bye. Almost forgot. Remind your friends to pack their birth control because you know they stay forgetting. All right, bye Felicia. Happy spring break.